sisters, today we all have assembled here because in some birth we don't know why and when and what situation we cried out to that Lord saying, "Oh Lord, the samsara sagara is pulling me my leg, please come and rescue me." That is why the bhajan says, Karunantaranga Karirajavara Kamalesha Shri Sai Rama. Like you came to grant the greatest boon to Kariraja Varada, Kamalesha Shri Sai Rama. You have come among us because we prayed, because we don't know who prayed in our entire generation. The Lord chose out of His compassion and grace to take all of us in His fold in spite of our limitations. We shall thank Him by offering this bhajan at His lotus feet. Karunantaranga Karirajavara Kamalesha Shri Sai Kamalesh Shri Sai